So this is another update on my 3D menu system. Um, I already talked about adding the sound. I have focus effects, which are these little things that make something go grow bigger or kind of animate or blink in color. Instead of using Z and X now, I'm using left control and left alt. Um, that's the default in Unity, so I thought it would be easier for people to use the buttons. If I assigned it, just use the default. Um, if I go into options here, you can see that I don't have cubes anymore, and I can have whatever um, game object I want and whatever text I want, and I can have multiple game objects. Right here I have a light and particle effect. A cool thing is I can go left or right to change the value, and it auto saves. So right here I'll go to this one to make it hard. I'll do F Alt to go back into options, and it's still on hard, still on 3. Let's go to 6, go back, go in, and it just saves using the player preference, which is also kind of the default. It's not recommended if you're going to do anything um, anything big, but these are just like options it's saving, so it's not big if they're stored in text. Let's go do play. This is the horizontal. Um, I call it a rotational menu. So it's the same thing as this. Instead of being vertical, it's horizontal. The thing that makes it to see how you can see the characters here, but not in here. That's another focus effect. So I'm telling the game objects that if the option is in focus, it's going to appear, and when it's not in focus, it's going to disappear. Um, and with these, I'm not doing that, except for with the text. I'm turning that to the opacity to absolutely transparent. I'm just using the um, little characters from the Nightmare tutorial. Um, this one saves as well, so if I go to Zombear and then go back and then go back in, it's still Zombear. And you can call what was the last one. Once again, it's just using the play preferences. So if I click on one of these, this is my grid menu. It's actually the same thing as the title menu, except for now there's a few more over. Um, what we can see here is some of the focus effects. So this one is pulse rotate. So it's just going to just rock back and forth. Um, this one is a change in color, so you can see how this was red and then it's green when it's in focus. These are rotational too. This is just nothing on it, so it's going to stay the same no matter what I do. This one has a change size when focus, so I'm just changing the entire size of the game object. If I wanted the sphere just to rotate, I would put that into the parameter instead of the entire game object. Um, this is a rotate too. Instead of a pulse rotate, like this one right here, it's a one rotate, so it's just going to rotate to its focus position and then not rotate anymore. This right here is a pulse color, so it's going to go between two colors. It's going to have a white like this, and then it's going to turn to blue, and then it's going to go to white again. And then when I'm not in focus, it's going to just turn clear. When I click on one of these, I go to the level I want. I don't actually have levels. That's for you guys to add in. And yeah, that's my tutorial. Let me know what you guys think and if I should add anything. I did submit it to the Unity Asset Store already. It has not got approved yet, but I'll make sure to update when it does. Bye.